definitely cover this part so we don't have to look at it full time, but can access it. Just like when you enter the house.
Oh, nag-i-stand. Oh, walk na walk.
Needs to be just as impressive. So let's talk about this space right here. The grilling situation would be pretty good. You gotta represent.
Absolutely. This is where we chill by the pool.
This is something that we see all over the country. A really easy way to combat this is to use
Pakit
because you're not here. They should be
Pakit. I don't like.
Okay.
I don't like.
Detail is a huge feature.
Close open. Close open. I don't like.
Just dirt. We can clean this off easily.
I don't like.
At a hotel, the cabana is always the most expensive poolside suite. So this could feel like accommodation as well. However,
Sino yun? Si Zyler. Nanonood ng TV, oh. Oh, galing. I-stand. Yes.
I want to know if I have full permission to use this as a big ornament in your backyard.
Yeah. Now that we've seen everything, we're gonna get down to business and we're going to as well. So
sino yan?
make sure we're doing everything we can for this one. Great. I realized I wasn't gonna have time to focus on the property. So I hired a property management company to take care of the maintenance, handle the guests, etc.
Hi guys.
One of the things I like about them is our
Matutulog na si Daddy.
and so I think it's opportunity to improve revenue.
Tulog na si Daddy.
Our job here at Turnkey is to help homeowners maximize potential income
Oh.
from their property. So
No. 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 Chuk chuk chuk. Chuk 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 chuk. Close open. Close open. I don't like. I don't like. Pakit, pakit, pakit. Cute ng mata. I don't like. Ganun, no?
He's our best donor, also by far.
Are you having fun?
It's okay.
How about some apricot candy, Cooch? This might be fucking extract of Uncle Peach would be planted too, huh?
Great, John. I don't care how many times you want to give it a great today. That's what I'm talking about. Your five-time defending champion, Eastwood Academy! Pwede naman yan ay request na nila. Between life and death, dinadala na po yan without court order, dinadala sa ospital.
Pinapasok siya yung facility na nasa ilalim ng PFP. Kahit pa may heavy-duty na exhaust fan, init na init pa rin ang mga preso para hindi magsiksika ng iba na sa tuyan lang.
Yun, meron nga yun, ang taga-PNP sa barangay na nag-check up lagi na, dyan sa hygiene nila. Tapos sa yun nga, dapat laging malinis sa mga katawan.
Maris Umali Natuto, 24 oras.
Up next, ang mga kapusong academic achiever din. Sino kayang nagtapos noon ng summa cum laude sa ibang bansa? Non-stop ang pagtuto lang sa 24.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around.
Tingnan na ako ulit eh.
If you're happy and you know, turn around. Yay! Ano pa? Nod your head. If you're happy and you know, shake your head. Shake your head. Yay! My head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Very good. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. Yay!
Walang turn around.
Kanino?
O yun, oo.
Oh, turn around din.
Bulaga. Bulaga. Bulaga.